Have you just updated your Samsung Watch UI to the new 6 and worried about your modded Samsung Health app? Will it stop working? Keep watching to find out. On one of my recent videos, I showed you how to install the SHM mod companion app to get the Samsung Health app working on a non-Samsung phone. In that video, I was running Samsung One UI 5. I'll put a link to that video in the description. But in the last couple of months, Samsung has released the new UI 6 on old watches, like I have the Watch 4. People have been worried if this update is going to stop the modded Samsung Health app and holding off from updating the UI. If you're worried or having problems with the app running on your phone, the best way to get help is to visit XDA's site and the actual owner who made this app his own page, which has a very big following, tutorials, all the apps you need to get everything working correctly. It's easy to view on your phone or PC. Link for this site will be in the description below. Also, what's great about this site and its community is a big forum which you can ask for help if you run into problems. The owner of the app has been helping people since August 2021 and is still answering questions and still doing the updates when software comes out. So if you have any issues or anything, just put your question in and just remember to state what phone you're using and what watch you're using and what the problem is. So I have updated my watch to the new One UI 6 and I have not reinstalled the SHM companion app or anything. I've also updated my Google Pixel 7 Pro to Android 15. So I'll go to settings and I'm going to go to about watch, down to software information, and as you can see I am on the new UI. So I'll check the original Samsung app and it's still the same as I'm using a non-Samsung phone, but the modded app still starts up. Let's check to see if it actually still works. Remember, I have not updated this app on the watch or the phone since installing the new UI 6. I'll speed this part up. So yes, it is safe to update your Samsung to the new One UI 6. And we're still getting notifications synced to your phone correctly. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.